Another important application of Bohr's atomic model is calculation of energy of orbit of an uni-electron species. This can be considered as one of the very important topic from this chapter because the examiner can frame different varieties of questions on this particular topic. Let us solve one numerical related to the energy of the orbit. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Bisala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. In this video, let us solve a numerical related to energy of the orbit which is connected to Bohr's atomic model. Here is the question given. The ionization energy of hydrogen atom that is in the ground state is given as x kilojoules. We need to find out the energy required for the electron to jump from second orbit to third orbit. Let's solve this. First, let us understand what is the meaning of ionization energy. So, what is ionization energy? Ionization energy is nothing but the amount of energy required. The amount of energy required to remove the electron. To remove the electron, an electron from the outermost orbit. From the outermost orbit of an atom. As we know that in the case of hydrogen, there is only one electron present in the first orbit, and the energy required to remove the electron from that first orbit is nothing but ionization energy. And remember, ionization energy is always expressed as a positive value because it is endothermic in nature, isn't it? Energy is required to remove the electron. And in this numerical, the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is given as x kilojoules. For the case of hydrogen atom, the outermost orbit is nothing but equal to 1. Isn't it? Means whatever is the ionization energy given for this hydrogen atom, that itself is the first orbit energy. But we know that energy of an orbit or energy of an electron in an orbit is taken as a negative value. So I will write like this. This is nothing but as minus x kilojoule per mole, isn't it? This is the energy of the electron in the first orbit, minus x kilojoules per mole. From where we got this value? This is nothing but from the definition of ionization energy. Let's see how to move further. We know the energy of the expression as En is equal to the value of the first orbit energy, that is minus x upon n square multiplied by z square. It is given in kilojoules, so I am taking it in kilojoules per mole. So now, how we will calculate the second orbit radius? Second orbit radius is nothing but equal to minus x upon 2 square, that is 4. As for hydrogen, z is equal to 1. I did not substitute here. Then for the third orbit, it is minus x upon 3 square. That is first orbit energy upon n square. 3 square, that is 9. So, let us take the energy difference between third and second level. This is nothing but minus x by 9 minus of minus x upon 4. So take this minus x as common, then you will be getting 1 by 9 minus 1 by 4. This becomes minus x into minus 5 upon 36. I can simply write it as 5x upon 36. What is this 5x upon 36? This is the energy difference between the second and third orbit. We know that for an electron to jump from second orbit to third orbit, it should absorb energy which is equal to the difference in energy of the two levels. We know that second orbit energy is minus x by 4 and this is minus x by 9. We simply calculated the difference in energy of the two orbits which is equal to 5x by 36. So here our answer is option D. Is it clear? Let's meet in the next video with a different question. Thank you very much.